Welcome to the Go Getters YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are doing okay. Hopefully everything is going all right. What I want to bring to you guys today is a home business opportunity. If you're tired of the 9 to 5, if you're tired of the warehouse, you see, wherever you work, because where I came from hard sweat and tears and a whole lot of hard work, doing warehouse shift, doing work that people would not survive a month doing. So understand the process of this. So I'm here to show you guys an opportunity that it allows you to work from home. But I'm gonna walk you step by step of how I use this and how my mentors and how simple it is once you have a system to promote this and once you have a system to use this and capitalize off this. Now this is a 25 all-in-one digital business, and you know where I'm at right now. I'm using my phone currently, and what I recently did with this, I went to the setting page. I bought a domain through a site called Namescheap. It costs you about $10 per month, so you don't have to use this with your name, then members, and HBA funnels. Because if you are talking to someone and they are saying, how can I get more information, and you give them this, they're going to walk away. And this is what it is: digitalsidehustle.com. It's on my phone, so it's going to be a breezy. You see how much traffic I have driven to this. You also see how many pages I have built. 15 pages in this mini platform on my phone. Now all of these, I've been making these on my phone just to show you guys how simple it is. And it goes how to get 100 daily buyer leads to your contact list on a daily basis. You will need, let's say you will only need let's say $1. How to get 100 daily buyer leads to your contact list on a daily basis. You will only need $1. Let's put send emails every day, hundreds of buyer leads for the low of 99 cents. You go above, you click save, and it's saved. You want to see how it looks, you click the link. This is how it's going to look when it's fully loaded up. How to get 100 daily buyer leads to your contact list on a daily basis. You will only need $1 daily. Send 100 emails every day to hundreds of buyer leads for the low of 99 cents. This is only to show you guys how simple someone can build their pages for their brand, even on their phone, on the tablet, on your phone, and on your desktop. But I'm going to show you what more you can get once you join this. Now this is going to be your back office. Once you do join, this is going to be where you can find your links for your HBA funnel builder, your builder, which is what I was just coming from, the builder site. This is also where you're going to find the HBA premium. Now remember this right here. Now there's two sections to this program. There's the one where I showed you, there's the funnel builder, $25 per month. It has a lot of tools that are worth more than that. Not only that, it also still give you the 80% commission on all your commissions. Sales that you make, 80% of them is going to you residually every single month. Where you really get to accelerate your whole business, your online business, is when you use the HBA premium. They call it the Home Business Academy for a reason. It's a school. They have the get ready pre-traffic. They have the get traffic paid. They have the get traffic free and the get traffic paid. That's gonna be with solo ad on maybe Facebook, or using Udemy to have others promote your links for you, YouTube automation, and having others create videos for you. Now in the free version of this is gonna be using short form content, using email marketing, YouTube, social media. Every single step in this process that I'm talking to you about, once you click down below, the first link is going to guide you every single step of the way. It's going to be down below. For the premium version of this, it is $125, because out of the $125, you are going to keep 100. Every single person that you sign up is 100 residually. Keep that in mind. The first sale that you make, the program will only be 25 bucks. After the second sale, you are in profit. Whichever you choose, you only need 2 sales to be in profit. Click the link down below, listen to the video, look at how these people treat their community and how they are not just here to take your money, but train you, build you, and basically show you the way to have a business from home successfully. Now you might be wondering, okay, I want to join it, but how do I get traffic? Well, you have a program that you want to promote, correct? Now look at this. This gives you guys 100 200 leads every single day. Now look at my leads that I have gotten today. 200, and yesterday 200. Now you see the bonus is 100 because once you sign an affiliate up, someone up, it gives you a bonus of 100. All you need is one person, and that 100 daily will be 200 daily. 144 clicks, 59 clicks, 58 clicks, 93 clicks, 147 clicks, 106 click, 110 click, 95 clicks, 97 click, 45 clicks, and I'm sending this all to my capture page. So that means that once they land, they put their information in. If they're interested, then I can promote to them every single day using my email series. This is how people automate this. You see how much it says that I have sent: 49, 47, 43, 41, 39, 49, 35, 33, 29, 27. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000. I'm at like 5,000 something right now. It also shows you the emails of the leads that they give to you. As you see, it has an eye. Once you click this eye, you'll see all their emails, their information, where they're coming from, where they live, their names. The only thing you will not see is their numbers. You can also download this if you wish. You can do that by just clicking this top little box, and it's gonna highlight it all. Download all lead from pages. This is legit. Now you might be wondering, okay, how can I use this platform and send 200 instead of 100? All you need to do is use these emails that this website already gives to you. They give you different pages to promote that already have your embedded number to promote. So once you promote this, someone buys it, you get a commission of what? You get a commission of $5. So you are promoting the platform through its own platform. Now this is how you send it. Basically, you want to come down here to your mailing system. You see it right there, mailing system, mail by date, select it all. Now you see all my leads are right here. This is how many leads I can send my email to. I have 2 accounts. That means that I can send it to way more than that. So I have my saved emails. This is where it's gonna all be. Once you start sending them every single day, you can click whatever you have made before, load it up. It's gonna load it up down here with your name and with the links. So it's gonna be all loaded up there, and all you have to do is basically go down here, click perfect timing. What perfect timing is gonna do is gonna send your email when it believes that the person that you are sending the email to is gonna open that email. So this app works for you as well. Click preview. This is exactly how it's gonna look on their end. Once they receive it, you're gonna see your photo if you want to add a photo, if you want to add your email so they can hit you up, if you want to add a PS, if you want to add your links, you're gonna see it all. You see how I'm making it so simple to understand, even on my phone. I'm not complicating it. I'm not trying to make this, like the most fanciest thing. It's simple and a straightforward system that I'm laying out for you guys right here. You can either do the 25 funnel builder, which is going to give you in return $20, or you can do the 125 premium traffic that comes with the funnel and comes with the training that will elevate your game, give you ebooks, give you training courses, give you different videos from different members who have been making money using this system. So they just give you advice, they give you their 2 cents, they give you what has been working for them and what you should do to get to their level. But if you do join the funnel builder only, don't worry, because you can also join the premium for free as a trial for 2 weeks if you decide to join only with the funnel builder. I only brought in 1 person because I only needed 1 person so I can receive 200 more leads and promote HBA a little bit more. You can use his master swipe emails, which I recommend, but it's up to you. You can also just write your own emails, but if you do buy this, he's gonna give you like the master swipes that he uses to make thousands and thousands of dollars. Now what I want to speak about right now is gonna be LeadsLeap. Now LeadsLeap is a autoresponder. It might be a little bit crazy. It might sound like a little bit, like a little bit too much to take in. But once you understand how all you need is a program, traffic, and an autoresponder to promote again to those leads, it's gonna be like bread and butter. So I have my program that I get 80% commission from. Right? Check. Then I have my traffic that I use to promote this program. Right? Check. Now in this traffic I use a capture page, so once they put their information in, I can keep promoting to those people more and more. Check. You see how simple it is? It's 1, 2, 3: program, traffic, and promotion. This is the final piece to the cake. Now it's simple that even on my phone I can use it, but you can use it also on your laptop. Now what I want to show you guys with this autoresponder is first my email, so you guys see that I'm not lying. This is your list manager, where when you click here, you see your whole list. You see how many people you have on your list. You can create different lists. So basically, once someone opts into your capture page. This email series is what they're going to receive every single day promoting the program. So that is the final piece to the cake. Remember, all of this is going to be down below. Post ads to your autoresponder, and they promote your links for free if you want to start clicking. Now, what do you mean start clicking? Clicking what? Click these ads. Now, these are people who post their ad, and you see how many visits they get to their ad. Look at this visits. Look at the visits. Look at the visits. Look at the visits. And most of these are what? Capture pages. So you are getting an autoresponder that gives you an email series and gives you a sequence, and you can just put a code and add this sequence to your sequence like this. Once you join the pro, you have 10 slots to promote whatever link, whatever ad you desired. So this is why I'm choosing to show you this and to put this in your face so you can decide if this is what you want to go for. This has also link trackers. You can use this to track your links. You can also use this to add multiple links to one link and rotate it. Broadcast, which means that you can send an email. If you have a free version, you can send an email, I think, every single day to your, basically emailing your list every single day. But if you are a free member, you cannot, you cannot start your email series if you are not a if you are not a pro. If you cannot have an email series, then there's no point of getting this unless all you want to do is click to get traffic to your links. It also has an affiliate program, so you can promote this as well, and you can earn 50% off this. So 50% recurring commission, recurring commission, recurring commission. As a free member, you get 25. So whatever you join as, you also have a possibility to make money from this as well. You've seen it all. This is the main business that I'm promoting. And what am I using to promote this? What traffic source am I using? I am using my leads gen secret. Why? Because I get 100 to 200 leads every single day. The only reason why it's not shut down, because you might think that this is illegal or that they are using people emails without asking them. These people have already opted in to be promoted to. So if you ever have signed up for a program or signed up for a platform, and before you insert your email or click the submit button, it always says, do you want to receive more information about opportunities and things of that sort? This is why they have so many people in this program. So you have the program that I use to promote, have the autoresponder that I use. You can also promote your links, your capture pages from your own autoresponder while also having your email series or anything else, maybe a link tracker or maybe a rotator, maybe you want traffic from there. There's a lot of different things that I haven't touched onto yet, that once I do start learning more about this, my first thing that I'm gonna do is talk to you guys about this. You want to create your email for the day, go to your email, select it all. You want to click the email that you sent maybe last week, you want to go all the way down, boom, load it up. You want to see how it looks, how you want perfect timing, and then you want to preview it. Once you preview it, this is how it's going to look to them. And there you go, baby. You're ready to send it? No problem. Boom, send it. If you don't know how to write an email, go to your spam. You have 1,000 of emails of promotion products that people send to you. Go to your spam and go see how people send their emails. Maybe you can learn. Maybe you can copy it and put your own little details. Then put your own links. Do your own little thing. Make it yours. Put your image. Put your name. Obviously put your link. And how you do that is you want to highlight an area. You go to the little link right here. That is the link section. Then you're going to put your URL, whatever it is. You're going to paste it right there, click OK, and now that area should be highlighted blue. Once it's highlighted blue, that is when it's officially embedded into the text. So it's going to be, make sure to go down below and look at all of these platforms and make sure that you are understanding why all of this is needed. So this is the Go-Getters channel. Only go-getters in this building. Your love and likes is going to be appreciated because that is the only way that I can grow. I don't want anything in return. Only want you guys to think about if that is something like that you guys want to do for yourself. Do y'all want to join this business opportunity? Do you guys want to change the course of your life, with this decision? Let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comment section. My email is going to be down below in the description, and the links to these softwares and programs are going to be down below in the comment section. I just gave you a whole systematic way of doing this that can earn you money with this. One of these programs is for you if you want to succeed online. You decide which one it is, or you use all three to make it automatic and automate the whole process. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on the video tomorrow. Click the links down below, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.